we decided to try out drone snow biking up the American Fork Canyon today. And we learned a few things. First, you have to be a decent pilot to fly backwards or you will run into the side of the mountain. Climbing is slow and boring, so you need to speed up the video, but not too much or it looks funny. And you need to cut things out. Sometimes the obstacle avoidance works great. When you have climbed 500 feet, the drone will complain that it has reached the maximum altitude. I guess I should turn off beginner mode. But then again, I did run into the side of a mountain. Apparently, sometimes you can fly right through branches without a problem. Other times it may